Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how we can fix camera not working on iPhone showing black screen after iOS 14.5 update. No guys, process is really simple and easy. You can easily fix this problem. In this video I will give you some solutions so you can follow my all steps. Okay guys, let me show. I want to open my camera app, but unfortunately it's not working on my iPhone showing black screen. So how we can fix, so you can follow my all instruction. Friends, firstly you can subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. So let's get started without wasting any time. Now guys, what you need to do, open the flashlight and you can turn on. Okay guys, then wait 5 to 10 seconds. Now just you can turn off and you can open your camera app in your iPhone. As you can see guys, it's 100% working after you can applying solution number 1. But solution number 1 not working on your iPhone, so you can applying solution number 2. So solution number 2 is open the setting app. In setting, please scroll down and you can type screen time. Simply go here and you need to scroll down and you can find content and privacy restriction. Just you can type it and type on allowed apps. Okay guys, once here we go, as you can see here is camera app. Make sure you can turn on this toggle. Okay guys, if you want to turn on this toggle and your camera problem will be fixed. Okay guys, so simply go back to home menu. So guys, if solution number 2 not working, so you can apply solution number 3. So solution number 3 is very important. So what you need to do, open the setting app. In setting page, scroll down and you can type to journal. Simply go here and you need to scroll down. Here is the reset option. Simply go here and you can type to reset all settings. No, this will reset all settings. No data will be deleted. But if you want to reset your all settings, so your problem will be solved. iPhone camera 100%